Hey, what's up everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel where we buy and sell things online each and every day. And the second week of May 2018 is complete. It's over. And I want to share with you guys how the sales were. A lot of summer slowdown sales going on right now. How are your guys' sales? Put it down in the description box, or below the description box, sorry, in the comment section. Are they up? Are they down? What kind of percentage? What kind of number of items per day? Average sale price? Whatever you want to include, feel free to do so in the comments. The summer slowdown seems to be real this year. A lot of people, you know, somebody with 1,600 items who was selling 15, 16 a day is now selling 5 and 6 a day. So with nothing changing other than just it's summer and maybe something to do with the eBay glitches, the eBay algorithm, changing the website, just a ton of stuff, which is part of the reason why I have decided to start listing some things on Poshmark. Eggs in one basket, no good. You need eBay, you need Poshmark, you need Mercari, you need Amazon, you need multiple baskets, whichever ones you choose. So let's jump over to my channel. I'll show you what sold here in the second week of May. And our sales have been just right on average at best. Some days are slow, couple good days, couple bad days, you know, just all over the place. So let me show you and we'll go over to my computer screen and check them out. All right, here we are on the eBay screen for what sold. This is gonna be like the middle of May. We'll call this week 2 of May 2018. Look at this awesome shirt. We actually just sold this on the day I'm recording. It's a woman's hoodie sweatshirt. It's a 2XL with cat ears and a pet carrier down in the pocket of the hoodie. How cool is this thing? We paid $3 for it, and we ended up selling it on best offer for $25. So 22 profit. Yeah, it costs $7 to ship, so 15 less the fees leaves us about 12 in profit. Awesome shirt, hoodie here, pet carrier hoodie to sell. I know a lot of you would have liked that. I should have sold it for more probably. Bread and butter Cubavera shirt. I'm going to show you guys quite a few button-down shirts. Of course, that's what I probably sell the most of. This Cubavera $2 shirt, $13.50 sale, was $11.50 in profit. About $4 to ship it, so $7.50 and a couple bucks in fees, $5 profit. The George Strait shirt, took a best offer on that one for $13, same price. I bought this for $2, so it was $11 profit, and then less about $6 in fees and shipping is $5 profit. This is called, I think it's Bagosi or Bagasi. Somebody can correct me on that one. I sell a lot of these though. I got $15.30. This was a $2 purchase as well. So $13.30 less the shipping leaves about $10, less the fees about $7 or $8 in profit. So a little bit better on this one. This is a good brand to look for. $15.30 is actually the lowest I've ever gotten. This was like a clinger that didn't actually sell. I had quite a few of these and we got about 19 to 21 for most of them. All right, so Sun River men's button-up shirt. Nothing special. We took a best offer on this of $15. This was a $3 purchase, so it was $12, less fees and shipping, about $7 profit. This is one of the DJ shirts. The first one sold. We had it up for $22. We took a best offer of $19 on this one, and this is one I picked up for $2 at either $2 or $2.50 at Salvation Army's half off day. I think it was $2. So that's a $17 profit, less fees and shipping, right around $10, $11. So not bad on that. Take that. The first DJ shirt out the door. So I have 2 of them up for sale. Marvin the Martian, 14 and a quarter. We paid $1, I believe, for this shirt. I don't even know if it was $1. But that's $13.25 less the shipping is $10 and fees leaves us $8 in profit. The last Donald Trump tie we have sold for $18, paid $1 for it, $17 less fees and shipping, right around like 11 bucks in profit. This was a terrible Donald Trump tie, not in the best of condition, so that's why it was around for so long, but we only paid $1. Zara, I do pretty well on this. This paisley looking dress thing sold for $18. We paid $2 for it. So $16 less fees and shipping, about $10, $11 in profit. My goal right now is to try to maintain like $18 to $20 sales. And of course I operate on like 50% margin, like dead 50%. So if I'm selling 18 to 20, I'm going to make $9 to $10 profit on every item. That's kind of the goal right now. 2 Jay Garcia ties, $1 cost each. They were listed for $12 and $12. We sold them at best offer for $9. So we got 18 on both of them as a sale. The same person bought them. They only cost $3 to ship. It was like 8 ounces combined. They only weigh like 2 ounces for a tie, 3 ounces. So together they were like 6, 7. I don't even know if they hit 8. But anyways, $2.92 to ship them. together. So we got 18. We paid $2, $1 each, so that left us 16. And then we paid $3 to ship it, left us 13, and fees left us right around $10 profit. So $5 profit each on dollars. Not bad for the ties considering. And we got an $18 sale out of it, so I'll take it. The last two are going to be jeans. These Guess jeans were $3. We sold them for $22.49, which left us $19.49. $7 to ship them was $12.49, and less the fees, about $9 in profit. And the last one, those True Religion jeans, did actually end up selling to somebody who paid for them. These were, if you remember correct, I bought them. I paid up for these. These were like $25. I paid like $12.50 for them. We sold them for $42, which was not bad. The fees on that is right around like $5.50-ish. And then, of course, they cost $6.90 to ship padded flat. So we lost $12.40 on $41.99 fees and shipping, which left us $29.59, but I paid $12.50. So the total profit on these jeans was $17. So very good. A high average sale price and good $17 profit. So we'll take those all day. I'll pay $12.50 to make $17.50. That's okay with me. I don't have to make $50 if I'm spending $12. You know, I spend $3, $4, $5. I get to make 10 or 15. I'm okay spending 12 to make 17. That's not bad. So there you go, guys. That is what sold for the second week, middle of May there. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got some ideas for things to take a look for when you're out at the store sourcing. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. You can share it. You can make sure you're subscribed to the channel. It's important to me, and I appreciate it. Down in the description box below, the new website, if you want to sign up for the email list, it's free. It'll update you of videos. It'll update you of specials, merchandise, products, services, the VIP group, and coming soon, June 1st, the brand new Rockstar Flipper podcast. Look out for that on iTunes, Google, and Spotify, and Anchor, which I'm making the podcast through. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.